Let's make a Halloween flashlight projector. You'll need some black paper, a pencil, an eraser, scissors, some adhesive tape, and a flashlight. First, trace the outline of the flat side of the flashlight where the light comes out on the black paper. Then cut it out with scissors. Next, fold the black circle in half and draw half of the shape that you want with a pencil. It should be symmetrical shapes like hearts or diamonds, right? Cut along the pencil line with scissors and unfold them. Now tape these to the round side of the flashlight. Great! We made the shapes of a pumpkin, a spider, and a bat. Now turn the lights off and turn on the flashlight. Look! There are the shapes we made on the wall. You can use these crafts on Halloween night like this. It was so much fun. Do you want to try it with me? It would be fun. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye.